Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make muffins moist and fluffy. We'll start by focusing on key ingredients that lock in moisture. Using ripe bananas or applesauce adds natural sweetness and keeps your muffins from drying out. Also, incorporating sour cream or plain yogurt can significantly improve the tenderness of your crumb. Don't forget to use oil or melted butter for a rich, moist texture. These simple additions make a big difference. Next, let's talk about mixing for that perfect fluffy texture. It's crucial to combine your dry ingredients well before introducing the wet ones. Once you add the wet to the dry, mix them together just until they are combined. A few lumps in your batter are actually a good sign. Overmixing is a common mistake that develops too much gluten, which can result in dense, tough muffins instead of light, airy ones. Now, let's move on to baking for success. To get those beautiful dome tops, fill your muffin cups about 2/3 full. Many recipes suggest starting at a higher temperature, like 425 degrees Fahrenheit, for 5 minutes, then reducing it to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Always check for doneness with a toothpick after about 20 minutes. Let them cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack. Finally, let's cover storage and common mistakes to avoid. Once your muffins are completely cooled, store them in an airtight container to maintain their freshness. Placing a paper towel inside can help absorb any excess moisture, keeping them from getting soggy. Remember to avoid overfilling your muffin cups, which can lead to uneven baking. Also, resist the urge to open the oven door too often while they are baking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.